Okay, so I want to tackle this. It's disgusting, like really gross. So I need to clean it off like really badly. And then I want to paint it. And I'm thinking for the inside to use this paper pack, which I've had forever. And it's pretty big. And even if it's mismatched, doesn't really matter because it's going to be on the inside and it's not going to be open much. But now I really need to clean it off first and then paint it. So I will keep you up to date throughout my process. Okay, so I've done the painting of some of it, the sides, and I'm thinking it looks pretty good. I don't think I'm going to put 2 coats just because I don't want it to look too new. That's not the goal. I just wanted to remove all the crap that was on it. So that's it. I'll see you soon. So I'm back, and this is the finished painted version. I was going to paint the hardware gold, however I couldn't find the right gold and it wasn't looking good, and in the end, and it wasn't covering the rust, so in the end I decided to paint it black. I still need to do little touch-ups like you can see here, but it's pretty much done. Now I have to tackle the inside, which is totally gross, and yeah, so a lot of hard work on that, so I'll keep you posted. Okay, so I tackled the inside and I had a happy surprise. It was totally gross and disgusting, and as I used my bleach product, the paper came off. So now I'm left with the wood for the part that was really damaged, and the rest I cleaned very well. As you can see, the wood, there's been some mold and stuff, but I have this product here, so I'm going to be using that on top of this to remove all the traces of mold, and then I'll line it up with my scrapbooking paper. Well everyone, this is the finished product. So I've used a bunch of this paper, especially the big flowers, because I really don't know how to use them. I don't scrapbook anymore, and the flowers are way too big. This is a pad of paper that I had purchased way back when, I think at it says that it's from Michael's. I'm not sure if I purchased it from Michael's or I purchased it at Winners, or equivalent of TJ Maxx on special or something. Anyway, so this is the look. It's a patchwork effect. For the bottom part, I added some varnish just to protect the paper, and for the top part I didn't, because it's not going to be, there's nothing that's going to go on there. But for the bottom I thought it was a good thing. And then I did the edge all in black. So yes, I'm pretty happy with the result. I can't wait for it to be completely dry and to be able to enter it in my house. I'm looking forward to reading your comments about this. I thought it was a great idea to be able to, like I said, use up all the scrapbooking paper that I never know what to do with. So I'm quite pleased with myself on that one. So yeah, that's it. Bye!